Before I go to bed, I love reading books. I love reading words and the way the pictures look.
Hi, my name is Sebastian.
And my name is Alexander. We're the Gemelos Bilingües.
We like reading books.
And we hope you like reading books too. Today's book is Let's Go for a Drive by Willems. Piggy, I have a great idea.
Let's go for a drive.
That sounds fun.
Drive,
Drive,
drivey,
drive.
drive. Wait! If we are going on a drive, we need a plan.
A plan?
First, we need a map.
I have a map.
Get that map! You cannot go for a drive without a map.
I have the map. Zip.
Drive,
Drive,
drivey,
drive,
drive. Map,
map,
mappy,
map.
map. Wait! It might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses.
I have sunglasses.
Get those sunglasses! Zip. Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart planning.
I have the sunglasses.
Zip. Drive!
Drive,
Drivey!
drive,
Drive! Sunglasses!
sunglasses,
Sunny!
sunglasses.
Wait! It might rain while we drive. We need umbrellas.
I have umbrellas.
Get those umbrellas! Zip! Make a plan and stick to it is what I say.
I have the umbrellas.
Zip! Drive!
Drive,
Drivey!
drive,
Drive! Umbrellas!
umbrellas,
Umbrella!
umbrellas.
Wait! We have so much stuff to pack. We need bags.
I have bags.
Get those bags! You cannot go wrong with a good plan. Oof!
I have the bags.
Zip! Drive!
Drive,
Drivey!
drive,
Drive! Bags!
bags,
Baggy!
bag.
Bags! Wait! There will be lots of driving on our drive. We need a car. I said we need a car. Do you have a car, Piggy?
No. I am a pig. A pig with a car would be silly. Do you have a car?
I do not have a car. Oh no! We have everything we need for our drive. Except a car. Our plans are ruined. What are we going to do now?
We could play pirate.
Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? Ah! The end. You can find this book
And many more at your local library.
I love to go to libraries, look around and search, and I read so many books that I learned a lot of words. I can tell you stories that you never ever heard, and I love to read about people different than me, and I'm thankful I can read, I'm thankful I can see. And before I go to bed, yeah, love reading books.